Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn how to bypass or reset your MacBook login password. It happened to me, it happened to everyone. We forget our MacBook password. So in order to reset that, so that's a very simple steps. You have to just follow 3 steps to get it done, and this method works for everyone because after watching this video, you won't be losing any data. Your whole information, all the information that is in your computer will stay in your computer, and I'll show you how it happens practically. But before that, make sure to subscribe to this channel because that way we get motivated to create more and it helps with YouTube algorithm. So first of all, what you have to do, like you can see in the computer, there is, I forgot my password, so I can't enter it. So what I do is shut down the computer, shut down my MacBook Pro. And when I shut it down, I again opened the computer by holding the power button and Command R all together. Holding the power button, Command R, hold them all together. As you hold them for about 20 to 30 seconds. You will see like this, and keep on holding it until a complete screen appears. As the complete screen appears, leave it. You will like the loading has been done, and you can see a screen like that written as the Mac OS utilities. In here we don't have nothing to do in the Mac OS utilities. On the upper horizontal row, that is on the upper side, make sure to click on the utilities. As you click on the utilities, you can see an option called terminal. On the drop down of utilities, there's an option called terminal. Click on the terminal, and in terminal you can see there is something written like bash 3.2 hashtag. All you have to do is write down in here reset password, reset password. As you write the reset password, make sure to enter it, and as you enter it, it will go in bit loading, and in the final phase you will find this, an option to reset your password. And in here you get new password and verify your password. All you have to do, write down the new password. It has nothing to do with the old password. And in the password hint, write anything that you will remember. In this case, I have written subscribe to Tig's Schooling. All right. So as you are done with that, click on restart. That way, when you reopen the computer, you will be putting a new password into your computer. So restart it and wait for it to open. Now you can see my computer has been opened, and I click on the X MacBook Pro, and in here I write down my password, the new password that I've just created, and boom. Look at this. Every data, every picture, every video is available in my computer. I have lost nothing at all. If you think you have learned something in this video, please make sure to subscribe because we need your subscribe button, like button, and a comment to support this channel. If you think we are worth it, make sure to leave your comment, and see you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.